Austin Joe. I just want to do a quick intro for a video that I'm making actually about my pickup truck. It's my daily driver 2005 GMC Sierra. I've got a Flowmaster 40 series on it. I actually put the American Thunder Flowmaster system on it, which was a kit all in the box. So I wanted to give you guys some test samples of the 40 series Flowmaster. I want to say it's a Super 40. I'll put in the comments what it actually is, and the kit that I use to put on my Sierra. My Sierra has a 5.3, the aluminum block version that came out late 05 and was in some of the 06s and early 07s. So it's actually the 315 horsepower version of the 5.3 that was out, VIN code 8. I mean, no, B. That's VIN code B. Sorry, guys. But anyway, just so you guys know, the Flowmaster 40 series, I probably had a little bit in the intro too already. You could hear it. It definitely is a more aggressive sound. I love how it sounds. I think nothing sounds better on these trucks. Do your neighbors hear it in the morning when you start it up? Yes, definitely. The sound clips I have coming up don't even do it justice. They don't even make it sound as loud as it is, but they'll at least give you an idea of the tone that you're going to hear. You know, what else about the muffler? Is there a drone? There is a slight drone. I love the sound so much, and I love a more aggressive sound, so I deal with it. Is it all the time? No, it's at certain RPMs on the highway. If I get the drone, I just give it a little more or less throttle to get rid of it, and then I go from there. But I love it, and that's it. So this is a sample video for the Flowmaster, and with that being said, I'm going to take off, and if you guys like this video, subscribe. I do videos on the C6 Corvette that I have, Grand Sport, several other things. I got my dog Stella in there and everything, so check us out. Hit subscribe, and when you hit subscribe, also click on that bell, and you'll get notified anytime I throw a video on. So check it out. Take it easy, guys.